I couldn't wait. And here it is, the AMD Radeon RX 9070 XT. It's the ASRock Steel Legend. So since I have the ASRock motherboard, I'm getting this. Ooh, looks nice. Let's check it out real quick. Hang on. Okay, since this is an open box, I got it under 700, so I don't know what's missing. So, yeah, let's check it out. This is huge. When was the last time I had a graphics card? That was the 1080 40 WAN. Dude, this thing is huge. Still in a plastic. Okay. I guess this person, let's see. LED on. So here it is. It's pretty huge. And this one has two 8-pin. Dang, this thing is huge. I've never seen this thing huge. Man, I'm gonna slap it in later. So, but right now I can't because I'm going to the beach. See you. Alright, we're gonna pull out that GTX 1070 and put that thing over there. So we're gonna compare how big the 9070 XT is. All I can say, it's a little bit longer, but it's a bit thicker because of the heatsink. When you look at that heatsink, it's thick. So we're gonna slap this in to the other side of the, hopefully it doesn't hit the, whatchamacallit, my PCI Express network over here. We'll see. Alright, it's right in there. Just a little problem with my two 8-pins. Yeah, it's a little short. I'm gonna need an extension probably. So let's fire it up, see if my 850 watt can handle this thing. Cross my fingers. Alright, it's on. And it has colors inside my freaking case. Alright. So we're gonna do a clean uninstall on the NVIDIA drivers, and then we're gonna put the AMD Radeon. So let's do that right now. Alright, so the graphics card is installed. The NVIDIA drivers has been uninstalled, and I put the AMD Radeon drivers. So it's running fine now. This one is in 1680 by 1050, and put it on, whatchamacallit. Why am I need to mute my thing. So let's see. Graphics on Ultra right now because it's in 1680 by 1050. So it's good. Ain't that right, soldier? Everything's good? Yeah. Anyways, that's it for today. I'm going to sleep. Yep. So I'll see you guys later.